I'm filming.
Filming what?
Just making a video.
Yeah, but what are you filming?
AWE?
Yeah, can you turn off a minute, please?
No.
Right away, notice how calm this starts. He's explaining himself, keeping it factual, no shouting, no attitude, just answering questions he doesn't actually have to answer.
Oh, I can't, no.
Why?
I'm in a public place.
Okay, so have you been in there?
No.
No?
No. I'm aware that it's subject to bylaws, so I wouldn't go in there.
Okay,
And
that's
it clearly says no access. So.
Yeah, so it's section 5E, which means it's prohibited. And as you say, you're in a public place.
Yeah, so why did you ask me to turn it off?
Okay. Who are you, please?
A member of the public.
Yeah.
May I ask you to identify?
I'm PC Morgan, all right?
Okay,
I'm PC Matthews.
thanks. You based here, are you?
Yes, we are. Okay. And who are you, please?
A member of the public.
Yeah, what's your name, please?
I'm not required to give a name.
Okay.
Am I?
That's fine. What's the reason for recording it?
Just a matter of public interest.
That's fine.
Can I help you?
Do you live locally?
Do you live locally?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Okay.
Why would you need to know that?
Well, because I'd like to know why you're filming, why you're here, what you're doing.
You seem very tense, like your body language.
I'm not tense at all.
Would you mind not surrounding me?
Why?
Well, then I'd rather not be surrounded.
Well, why?
Because I'd just rather not. You've got guns and that. Like.
And here's where the tone changes. Armed officers, close proximity. He actually says he feels nervous, and honestly, that's a very human reaction.
You're making me feel a bit nervous. Like,
Okay.
yeah. Can you tell him to stop?
So, how have you got here today? Yeah.
Parachuted in. Is there anything I can do to kind of alleviate your suspicions? You seem very tense.
I'm very well.
Should I not be doing this?
If you could say who you are, give us a
Don't need to though, do I?
But you just asked me a question. Is there anything you could do to alleviate us being here? Right?
How would knowing my name alleviate
Yeah,
your
but you
suspicions?
said you've asked me the question. I've answered you.
I know, but something that doesn't require me to hand over my personal information. Seems a bit excessive for a photographer.
But
Well,
you know
armed
what-
police. What do you think it is that I'm doing?
Seems a bit excessive for a photographer. That line right there sums up the entire situation. Filming from a pavement, met with firearms and suspicion.
What are you filming? You just told me. Right?
What, was it necessary for police to attend?
Well, this is an establishment which is policed, so yes.
Not anything else to be getting on with?
Right? There's loads of stuff we can get on with, but we're here because of you.
Because what, I'm filming from a pavement?
Yeah, that's why we're here.
I think it's a bit excessive.
Well, you're entitled to your opinion, aren't you?
Okay. Anything else I can help you with?
Okay. No, we'd just like to know who you are.
Okay, well, you're not going to find out. Unless you suspect me of committing an offence.
So how long have you been here? Or how long are you going to stay here?
Not
for?
long, so as long as it takes.
So what takes and why are you filming and what are you filming for?
Yeah, just until I'm satisfied that I've filmed what I need to film.
Well, what do you need to film?
Just anything I want.
You're just sort of just filming the surrounding area. So
Yeah.
you just purposely filming AWE?
Yeah.
Why particularly AWE?
It's a matter of public interest.
That's fine. What are you hoping to get out of that?
I just want to film.
That's fine. You want to film. But what's
Listen carefully now, the conversation goes in circles. Same questions, different wording. That's when it stops being a chat and starts feeling like pressure.
so you say it's a matter of the public interest? What's the public interest?
The public are interested
In what particularly?
in this.
What about this?
Like they want to see, like the scenery, the gate.
Well,
It's a it's an iconic sort of site, I suppose you could say. Or there's probably not any videos that cover this place.
But can you see why we might be talking to you at the moment? Obviously, it's a designated site. There's obviously secure stuff in there. We're just coming to have a chat, see why you're filming. I mean,
Okay.
you're in public land. That's
Yeah.
fine. That's not a problem. I haven't got a problem. It's just sort of just wondering why you're sort of still staying here, or like how long do you need to be here for to record? Or...
Just as long as I like. Like it's a freedom to do this. I'm on a pavement. I wouldn't expect to be, kind of questioned like this. And
Just a general question. Just wondering
What?
why you're
I
here.
feel like I'm just kind of being interrogated a little bit. Like
Well,
come out with guns and stuff. Like,
That's just part of our
That's
role
because
profile.
that's part of the uniform, isn't it? Right?
This is probably the most honest moment. He says he feels intimidated, and not because of words, but because of presence. Two armed officers asking personal questions in public.
makes me feel a little bit kind of intimidated, I suppose. And like, you're trying to surround me and stuff. Like,
Well, there's two of us.
And we're sort of we're a good distance.
yeah, well now we are. Now that I've kind of like, you know, raised it. But
So how tall are you?
how tall am I?
Yeah.
I don't know, about 6 foot.
So about 6'1", 6'2".
Me?
Yeah.
I'm not that tall.
Yeah.
I wish I was.
Feel intimidated.
Well, yeah, but I haven't got any weapons. And I'm not trained in combat and stuff. You know what I mean? I wouldn't be no good in a fight.
But why should you feel intimidated?
We're having a conversation with you. That's it.
Okay, well,
It's just part of our role profile. It's
all
the
right,
kit that we have,
all right.
and that's it.
I mean, surely you could understand from my perspective. I'm here doing something lawful, and two guys with guns have come up and started asking me questions and that.
But then would you not expect a place which has CCTV cameras which are pointing at you, gates saying no public and stuff like that?
Yeah.
If you were to show up filming stuff.
Yeah, but I've adhered to that. I understand it's MOD bylaws, so if I was to enter that, then I would be committing an offence.
But would you
Official
not-
Secrets
would you-
Act, stuff
would
like
you-
that.
Would you feel something was wrong if no one came up and spoke to you?
I'm
Would you
simply
feel
just
something's
filming.
wrong if no one came and spoke to you?
I wouldn't know. I wouldn't be the person that could pass that judgment. You know what I do.
I think you're here filming, wanted for someone to come speak to you. Yeah. You're after a
don't know.
reaction, that's why you're here. This is why you're doing it.
Perhaps. So you satisfied that?
Have you got the reaction that you wanted?
I mean, I'd rather be left alone.
But as you said, if you're going to be here, then people are going to come speak to you. Police officers are going to come speak to you, aren't they?
But why though? I haven't.
And now we're deep into authority versus rights. No offense committed, no detention. Yet the expectation to explain yourself just keeps growing.
Committed an offence.
We're going around
You don't really have any jurisdiction unless I'm committing an offence.
We have jurisdiction. We can go anywhere. Same as you. It's a public place, all right? You've shown up, all right? We're interested. We're curious why you're here. We want to know that you're not up to no good. That's why I've come to speak to you.
So how would you determine if I was up to good or not?
By speaking to you.
Okay, have I satisfied that I am
Well,
not
I
up to
still
no
don't know
good?
your name,
You're not going to
and,
find out.
You are trying to be withhold your name and be
Of
secretive
course.
about it.
Well,
Why?
I'm a private person.
Yeah. But if you're a private person, you wouldn't come here to get a response by having the police come out to see you. So that's not being very private, is it?
Well, I'm within my right to film anything I like
So you're
from a pavement.
contradicting
I'm
everything
not
you're
really
saying.
contradicting anything, am
You
I?
are.
I still have my right to privacy.
Yeah, but you said you're a private.
It's my human right, isn't it,
To what?
to withhold my details, to remain private, to live a private life.
But if you want to live a private life, then you wouldn't be here in the position that you are.
Well, it doesn't really make sense. Like, I'm on a pavement. I've got freedom of movement. I can go wherever I like. That's in the public. That's in the public domain. So, is there anything else I can do for you that doesn't involve me handing over personal info?
Oh, you could tell us how long you're going to be here for.
I said, as long as it takes. It would be wrong for me to give you a timescale.
You have no intention of going.
No, I'm not going to go in there. I don't want to get arrested.
That's fine. So you're going to be staying out here.
Yeah.
Because of any sort of issues, you're just here.
What issue could I cause with a camera?
I'm asking you questions. Do you understand? That's part of my job.
Okay, well, if I was to cause an issue, I probably wouldn't tell you that. Yeah, I'm going to be causing issues.
But
But
that's what I'm just having a conversation with you.
yeah, well,
See, I'm trying to be nice. Just having a little conversation.
you're
with you.
being nice, but
Like, I'm asking pretty standard questions. I think it's quite fair. But Donnie, if you're standing here, that's fine.
Thank you.
Obviously, not past there. You know, you understand it is a protected site. It's, you know.
yeah,
Do you
I know.
Stay here much longer? It's just a question.
As long as it takes.
I don't understand you saying as long as it takes. What does that particularly mean when you say as long as
But
it takes?
does it matter?
Oh, well, just extra interest to us, part of our job. It's just, you know.
I can stay here all day if I so
stay all
please.
day, that's fully up to you.
Yeah.
That's fine.
It's okay then.
But we're just asking questions. That was it, all right? You
Alright.
happy?
Are you happy?
Yeah, just again, all good.
Of course, yeah, absolutely. There's no hostility. We're good.
Okay, no worries, mate.
Alright, goodbye.
By the end, even the officers seem to realize it's gone nowhere. No crime, no outcome. Just a reminder of how quickly lawful behavior can become uncomfortable.
Yeah, sorry if I was a bit intrusive. Like the questions did seem a bit obsolete. How long are you gonna be here? Like, what's your name? If you're a private person, you wouldn't choose to come here. Like, yeah, there were some odd questions. I don't know if you can see, my car is literally just parked. There's my car there. I'm not eager to just get into the car just yet, in case I'm going to be tailed or something. So just going to wait for them to make a move, and we'll go from there, I guess. Guys, looks as though they're dispersing, so I too will disperse. Hopefully make it into the car before they can spin around. So yeah, www.coleycoin.com. Go there, check it out, run it up, do all that stuff. Join the Telegram, Discord, Instagram, pinned in the comments. Hope you enjoyed. This was AWE, Atomic Weapons Establishment, Aldermaston. So yeah, anything else to say? I don't think so. Like, comment, share, run it up, do all that stuff. Peace.